ever wondered how we can harness the power of AI tools without being a tech genius? In an age where artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, but a transformative force in our digital world, these tools are becoming increasingly integral to our daily lives. They're assisting us in everything from optimizing our work productivity to making our homes smarter and more efficient. The beauty of this technological revolution is that AI tools are not exclusively for the tech-savvy anymore. They're becoming user-friendly and accessible to everyone, even those of us who might not know our RAM from our ROM. It's an exciting time to be alive, where you can tap into the potential of AI without needing a degree in computer science. So whether you're a digital native or a tech novice looking to upskill, this is your chance to ride the wave of AI. Stay tuned as we demystify the process of using AI tools in simple, easy-to-follow steps. To start off, understanding the AI tools universe is key. It's like a toolbox, each tool with a specific function, ready for use when the right job comes up. Let's begin with the most common AI tools that you may have heard of: machine learning tools. These are the workhorses of the AI world, capable of learning from data and making predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. For instance, think of a music recommendation system that learns your taste over time and suggests songs that you're likely to enjoy. Next up, we have natural language processing tools. These tools allow machines to understand and interact with human language. Ever chatted with a customer service bot? That's natural language processing at work. It's also the secret sauce behind your smartphone's voice assistant understanding and responding to your commands. Then we have deep learning tools. These are a subset of machine learning, but are specifically designed to mimic the human brain's own way of learning. Deep learning is behind those uncannily accurate facial recognition systems and the autonomous cars that are set to revolutionize our roads. We also can't forget about robotic process automation tools. These tools are designed to automate repetitive tasks that humans find boring, like data entry or sorting emails. Automation not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. Lastly, we have the decision management tools. These tools use AI to automate decision-making processes, like credit scoring in banking or optimizing logistics and supply chain management. It's important to remember that these tools don't exist in isolation. Often they are used together to create more complex systems. For instance, a self-driving car uses machine learning to understand its surroundings, natural language processing to interact with passengers, and decision management to decide on the best route to take. Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the AI tools universe, it's time to dive into the practical aspect. The first step in the practical process is selecting the right AI tool for your needs. Now, this isn't as daunting as it may sound. Essentially, it's about identifying what you want to achieve with artificial intelligence and finding a tool that can help you do just that. Let's say you're interested in natural language processing. Tools like Google's Dialogflow or IBM's Watson Assistant might be right up your alley. If you're more into machine learning, consider TensorFlow or PyTorch. For data visualization, Tableau with its AI-driven insights could be your go-to option. Remember, the right tool isn't about the most popular or the most advanced. It's about what aligns with your objectives and fits within your skill level. Each tool has its strengths and weaknesses, so take the time to do a little research. Once you've selected your tool, the next step is setting it up. Setting up your AI tool might sound complicated, but it's simpler than you think. Let's delve into the general process of setting up an AI tool. The first thing you need to do is unbox your tool. Be sure to keep all the components organized. You'll thank yourself later when you're not hunting for that elusive cable or adapter. Once you've got everything out of the box, it's time to get familiar with your AI tool. This is where the user manual or guide becomes your best friend. It's a treasure trove of information outlining the tool's capabilities, functionalities, and setup instructions. It's crucial to read and comprehend this guide. It's like having a map when you're exploring a new city. Without it, you might miss some exciting features or take longer to find your way around. Now that you know what your AI tool can do, it's time to set it up. Follow the instructions in the guide to connect it to your device or network. This could involve plugging in cables, installing software, or configuring settings. Don't rush this part. It's like setting up a domino rally. You want to make sure everything is in the right place for the magic to happen. After the installation, you'll need to customize your AI tool. This is where you can set your preferences, choose your settings, and personalize the tool to suit your needs. Think of it like moving into a new house. You wouldn't just leave everything in boxes, would you? No, you'd arrange things to make it feel like home. The same goes for your AI tool. Customize it to make it truly yours. Lastly, it's time to test your tool. Run a few tasks, experiment with different features. This will help you get comfortable with the tool and ensure that everything is working correctly. It's like taking a new car for a test drive. You want to see how it handles before you hit the open road. With your AI tool set up, you're ready to start using it. Using your AI tool effectively is an art in itself. The magic begins when you start interacting with your tool, nurturing it, and guiding it to perform tasks that can make your life easier and more productive. Imagine this. You're an artist, and your AI tool is your canvas. The more you paint on it, the better it becomes. It's all about understanding the tool's capabilities and learning how to leverage them for your benefit. Let's take an example. Suppose you're using an AI tool for language translation. Initially, the tool may not be perfect. It might make some mistakes. But the more you use it, providing it with feedback, correcting its errors, the more it learns and improves. This is the essence of machine learning, a key aspect of AI. Now let's talk about some useful tips and tricks. First off, don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different features and settings. Explore the tool's potential. Sometimes you might stumble upon a functionality that can change the game for you. Secondly, be patient. Remember, Rome was not built in a day. It takes time for an AI tool to understand your preferences and your style of work. So don't be disheartened if you don't get perfect results initially. Keep using it, keep learning, and keep growing. Another crucial tip is to keep your tool updated. AI tools are constantly evolving. Developers are regularly adding new features and improving existing ones. So make sure you have the latest version to benefit from these enhancements. Lastly, don't forget the importance of regular practice. The more you use your AI tool, the better you get at it. It's just like learning a new language or a musical instrument. Practice makes perfect. In conclusion, using an AI tool is a journey, a dance between you and the machine. It's about understanding each other, learning from each other, and growing together. It's a process that requires time, patience, and dedication. With regular use and practice, you'll soon master your AI tool. So we've journeyed together through the world of AI tools. We've unveiled the vast universe of AI tools where possibilities are endless and innovation is the norm. We've seen how these tools, once considered complex and inaccessible, are now within our reach, designed to simplify our lives and enhance our creativity. Choosing the right AI tool is like finding the perfect pair of shoes. It has to fit you perfectly, complement your style, and be suitable for the occasion. The right tool should meet your specific needs, whether it's for data analysis, image recognition, or voice synthesis. But remember, one size doesn't fit all in the AI universe. It's about finding what works best for you. Once you've found your perfect fit, setting up your AI tool is the next step. Like building a Lego set, every piece has its place, and following the instructions can lead to a masterpiece. Whether it's installing software, configuring settings, or inputting data, each step is crucial in preparing your AI tool for optimal performance. And finally, using your AI tool is where the magic truly happens. Like riding a bike, it might seem tricky at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. The key is to keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep learning. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Throughout this journey, we've seen the simplicity and accessibility of AI tools. They are not just for tech wizards or Silicon Valley elites. They are for everyone. They are for you. So, as we wrap up, let's not forget the lessons we've learned. The world of AI tools is no longer a distant star, but a galaxy that's within our reach. It's a place where we can explore, innovate, and create. It's a place where we can empower ourselves and shape the future. Remember, the world of AI tools is at your fingertips. Happy exploring!